I'm Ankit Sharma. In this video, we are going to learn how to run Java in terminal. Mm, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends if you like it. So let's get started. To run any Java program, we first need a editor in which we write our code. So first we have to download a editor. I would suggest a Sublime editor. Let's download it. Mm, Sublime editor. I'm using Mac OS, so I will download from Mac OS Sublime Editor. This is official website. You can go there. Download for Mac. I have downloaded. It's a Sublime Editor Text 3. I have pre-downloaded it. Here it is. You can download it and install it. Second, for running running Java, we have to download Java Development Kit. Java JDK. This is official website. Java JDK build. We can go to the official website. Go to the download section, agree, and start free download. I have downloaded Java JDK. You can download from this website by agreeing, agree, and start free download. After downloading, our file will goes to the downloads folder. Let me take this out. This is my JDK. I have installed it, but I'm showing you how to install it. Open it. In this package, when you double click it, it will open a wizard of installing. You can continue, follow the instructions how to install it, and your Java will be installed. This is Java JDK 14.0.1 April 14 update. Let me eject this. Now we have an editor. And Java installed in our system. Now we have to write code. To write code, we open our editor. This is our editor, Sublime Text. Open it and type our code. Let me increase the size of it so you can view properly. I'm going to write a simple hello world code. Let me write public class. Let name our class as first. First, curly braces open, then public static void main method with string args array, and our system dot out dot println function. Here we will write hello world. Let me check my code. Yes, it is correct. And then let me save as this as a .java extension with name first. Make sure the name of your file is same as you name the class. Here class name is first, so I save it as first.java. I'm going to save this in where on desktop in Java folder. Save. Now my you can see here in Java first.java is saved. Now I'm going to run this Java application. For running this, open Spotlight by clicking command space or by clicking this is magnifying glass. Open terminal. Here is our terminal. Open it by clicking double click. Now let me increase the size of text. It will be really perfect. I think. Now you can see, I think. Okay. Okay. First command we are going to use here is listing. When we type ls as list and press enter, it will show in which folder you are and how many directories are available there. So we have to change our directory to desktop, so we use command cd change directory space name the folder. Here we want to go to the desktop, so I'm using a command as cd space name of the directory desktop and then press enter. Now I'm going to list again how many items are there on the desktop. I want to go to the java folder, so again I use a cd command and type the folder name. This will change directly to the folder java. Now follow the here. Now I'm in java folder. Now I'm going to see what is in java folder. Here first.java is available. So our main purpose is to compile this first.java and run this first.java folder java file. For compiling any java application, here code is java c then space then write the name of the java file with extension .java and press enter. If there will be no any error, then it will show here. If there is error, then it will show here so many errors. From there you will find what you have got some errors. Now type java how to run. Here we had compiled our first.java. Now we are going to run it. For running, type java space name of the folder and press enter. Hello, your output is there in terminal. If we go to the java folder, you can see when we compile first.java, it creates another thing named first.class, and java created its other class and it runs this class. It is a source code. Then in this source code, using compiler change it into first.class, which is Macos compatible code, which my this device which my computer understand in its language and gives output of that what we want. That's it. Just we have to know three commands: ls for listing in the directory, cd to change the directory, java c for compiling java, and java then a name of the class to run the java application. Make sure when we compile our java file, we use .java extension, but when running we don't use java extension. We only write the name of the class. That's it. So this is how we compile and run any java application in terminal. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you.